All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 long wheelbase with 15,000 miles, white with gray vinyl interior, AM FM stereo system, backup camera, power windows, power door locks, super nice. Still real quick, your front bumper looks pretty good. See a little dent there. It's a little cracked here. Got another heavy scratching or cracking. Here it gouged out. Look, the hood looks good. This fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. This door looks okay. This quarter looks okay. Does have a some heavy scratching there. Let's see. You see? There it is. Heavy scratchings there. Let's see. There is a dent here, as you can see it. Boom. That's what that dent looks like. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. I'm sorry, rear driver steel wheel. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Another ding right there. Hard to see, but it is there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. This is your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn it on. Alright, turn on the lights. What your AM FM stereo system looks like. You got your AC controls right down below. Get your backup camera. Boom. Switch your instrument cluster. Looks like you see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 15,310. Pretty much completes the tour. Green here. Coming around. Your rear bumper has like a dent to it. Boom. This door has a dent to it right here. This door is okay, but the little handle that goes in here seems to be missing or something. It's supposed to be a little handle that goes here, and then this thing goes back and forth and unlocks it. I'll show you what I'm talking about on this side. See, a little hand, and you can't move it unless you unlock it, and then it unlocks like that. There you go. This is what one of your door panels looks like. Very nice. This is what your interior looks like. That looks nice, gravy. Your wheel wells look pretty good. And this is what this door looks like, which also looks pretty good, except for that missing piece there. Handle there. All right. We are calling it frame because of this dent here. As you can see, needs to be pulled. That's what it looks like from this end. It's got a dent up here as well from it. Alright, the rest looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. The tire thread back here is under 430 seconds. Double check it. That's right, hairline under 430 seconds. These doors look good. So one of them looks like very nice. The paneling looks good. Likewise on this side. This is what it looks like from in here. Very super nice. Boom, boom. Super nice LEDs. They look great. This door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. All passenger steel wheel. Yeah, tire thread. Under 730 seconds it looks like. Under 430 seconds. About it. Lights are working. Car is running. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit. The T-150 long wheelbase with 15,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.